ஹலோ, வெல்கம் டு யூனை. நம்ம சேனல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிடுங்க. டெய்லி அப்டேட் பண்ணிட்டே இருப்போம்.
பேர் ஹாய் சொல்லிட்டே இருக்காங்க. சோ ஐ திங்க் ஒரு குட்டி ஹாய் அவங்களுக்கு நாம சொல்லிட்டே போலாம்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
ஆமா, this is not moving for me, Didi, and the பேர் I got it. Bye Vaishali. Hi Venkat.
இருக்கும்போது உங்களுக்கு ஒரு சின்ன சர்ப்ரைஸும் கொடுக்கலாம் நாங்க ட்ரை பண்றோம். பாப்போம் அந்த சர்ப்ரைஸ் என்னால கொடுக்க முடியுதா உங்களுக்குன்னு.
Oh. Hi Vicky. Hi. Karthik, hello. எல்லாமே ஹாய் சொல்றீங்க. Hi Sankar. Hi Mohammed. Hi Monica. Hi everyone.
Please say my name Soumya.
Hi Soumya.
அவ்வளவுதான், ஃபுல் ஹாப்பி ஆயிடுவாங்க சௌமியா.
Hi Kitu. Hi Nivi. Diamond Gutti. Geeta Rani. Hi. Oh my god, endless.
நிறைய பேர் வராங்க. Ma'am, tell your 5 most favorite films அப்படி சொல்றாங்க. உங்களோட 5 most favorite films about உங்களுக்கு நீங்க பண்ணதுலயே.
Difficult. நான் பண்ணல. Okay. Can you hear me, Didi? I just got some disturbance.
Yeah, I can hear you, ma'am. I can hear you. கொஞ்சம் stuck ஆகுது, but I can hear you.
சொல்லிங்களா? ராட்சசி. You can hear me, Didi?
Yeah, now I can hear you, ma'am.
Okay. So
drop ஆயி வருது, but that's okay. நீங்க பேசுங்க ma'am. அப்படியே பேச சரியா இருக்கும். That is your surprise.
Oh my god. Hi Suraj.
Hi Jyotika.
Oh, how sweet. So this is a big surprise. Na nanacha Surya somebody will come. Wow, this is a huge surprise. Hi Suraj. Hi. Ama. This is the biggest.
Hi சொல்லிடுறோம். हेलो सुरेश जी, नमस्ते सुरेश जी, मेरा हिंदी बकवास है सुरेश जी, मैं तमिल तो बोलती है सुरेश जी, एडजस्ट करो जी प्लीज जी. ओके.
How sweet.
So fans உங்க எல்லாருக்கும் சொல்லிரோம், அது வந்துட்டு ஜோதிகா மேம் ஓட பிரதர் சூரஜ் அவர்கள். சோ எல்லாரும் ஒரு பெரிய ஹாய் சொல்லிடுங்க சூரஜ் சார். ஹாய் சார் சொல்லிடுங்க எல்லாரும்.
This is a real surprise, Didi. Real surprise.
அந்த ரியல் சர்ப்ரைஸ் கொண்டு வரதுக்கு தான் நம்ம கொஞ்சம் தடுமாறிட்டு இருந்தோம் இங்க.
நாங்க இப்போ ஒரே வீட்ல உட்கார்ந்துட்டு இருக்கோம். I come to Goa to his house and we are having a vacation here with the children. So ஒரே வீட்ல we are in different rooms. It's a big surprise.
Okay ma'am, இதுக்கு மேல I don't want to talk to you. I'm going to talk to him and get all your details. All your details as a brother he is going to give me. All the hurt that he has inside as a little boy, what and all you did Kodumai to him when he was young, he will tell now. Correct, sir?
That's right. Let's go.
So first of all, about the movie Udan Pirape. So you tell me, sir, after seeing the trailer, what did you think? It's about siblings bonding, right?
Yeah, actually, we've seen so many of Joe's films and everything like that, but this role in particular, I was a little bit in disbelief when I saw the trailer. She's been talking about this movie for the last 1 year, 1.5 years, ever since it's being shot and everything. And I did understand that it was a different role and everything like that. But when I saw the trailer, I was in disbelief. I couldn't believe she's actually managed to. I can't really say that she's someone from Bombay, gone to Chennai and doing these roles. I feel like she's from there doing a role, which is there. It was unbelievable. Amongst all the roles that she's done, this one, I think, looks to be the hardest one also, in which I've done.
Thank you.
Really kudos to you for that. 50
Thanks.
movies in, I think we can actually just say that she is more from Tamil Nadu now than she is from Bombay or any other part, That's what.
So,
thank you.
So true. But as a brother or any siblings for that matter, we wouldn't be appreciating each other or என்ன சொல்றது ஒருத்தங்க புகழ்ந்து நம்ம we never say that, we never get to do that. Are you that kind who's quiet, who's very far away and proud of her and quiet, or is he that type who's like, hey, you did it, that kind of person? How is
I think when Joe was doing her movies earlier, we all had movies that we liked, didn't like, or honest about it and everything. But I think her last 7-8 movies that she has done, we've been a little awestruck by the roles that she's done. I don't think there's been a movie so far in her last 7-8 films ever since she's come back after the break that I have disliked or not wanted to get up and cheer for it. It's always had some message, some moral value in it, some very strong performances. Actually got to see 2 hours of her on screen so many times now. It's just, and very, very good subject. So whichever role she's choosing, I think in the last 7-8 movies, I'm cheering for. We're all rooting for her in those. So, yeah.
Thank you.
How sweet. Ma'am, what kind
Yeah.
of a sister are you? அவர் சொல்லிட்டாரு, but first you tell me what kind of a sister are you? Because it's உடன்பிறப்பே. It's about siblings. ஒரு உடன்பிறப்பேங்கிறது ஒரு அண்ணன் தங்கை பத்தின ஒரு கதை. So I'll tell them in first in Tamil for the fans, and then I will translate it for you, sir. So ஒரு அண்ணன் தங்கை பத்தின கதைங்கிறனால இங்க உங்களுடைய சகோதரனோட நீங்க வந்திருக்கீங்க. நீங்க சொல்லுங்க, படத்துல நடிக்கும் போது எங்கேயாவது did you think about, ஏன்னா நீங்க எல்லாரும் ஒண்ணா கிடையாது, ஒவ்வொருத்தங்க ஒவ்வொரு இடத்துல இருக்கீங்க, கரெக்டா? நீங்க சென்னையில இருக்கீங்க, அவர் வேற ஊர்ல இருக்காங்க. So ஏதாவது ஒரு பாயிண்ட்ல நீங்க நினைச்சு பாத்தீங்களா? Or did he remind you the characters?
At every point, I think in the last, especially in the pandemic, we've all gotten close. Yeah, in the last 20 years, I have been more in Chennai than Mumbai. But in the last 2 years, we spent a lot of time together. Apro, he's made Thambi, and Thambi shoot, it was after a long time at Thambi shoot where every night we sat, we had meals together in a hotel room. Like Coimbatore shooting irundichu. So we have been together. We spent a lot of time. So he's like, firstly, he's 8 years younger to me. So he's like my darling. Like he's a darling of the house, but Moon is sisters, so Thambi. So he's like the darling of the house. And yeah, we share a very special. It's unsaid. It's like we are always there for each other. Daily connect panna matom. We don't talk daily. We are not in each other's face. You know, Mumbai, Chennai, it's a distance. But any problem, and we are just there. We are holding hands and there for each other. He's more of a friend, my brother, he's a Diya favorite actually. He's the best mama they can get. So Nari relationships it's not just sibling love. There's way too much beyond that.
Totally agree with you, ma'am. And வந்துட்டு மூணு sisters ஒரு brother na, he must be so chellam and pampered. No?
Yeah,
because
totally.
நீங்க சொன்னீங்க, for us also, she's my elder, I'm the second, and we have a younger brother. He's like 9 years younger to me. So we know what you're trying to say, you know. புரியுது. So are you the one who always gets away with all the naughty stuffs you do, Suraj sir, and still you'll get away? Are you that kind?
Yeah, always. There's supporting in the house. So
Nice.
Happy
So let
to
me
be in
ask. You tell me, Suraj sir, what is apart from her films and as an actress, Jyotika ma'am, we know her. We've been her ardent fan. Like you said, she belongs to us Tamil Nadu people more than she belongs to you guys. So, but tell us, how is she as a sister? Where was that one point after becoming after we become elders, you know, after we're doing this adulting thing, after we become adult? There'll be that one point or one day where, you know the value of your sister and your brother. She would have stood there for you for something, or some incident like that where you wanted to thank her, or some incident like that about her. Can you?
The sibling relationship, sister, brother, elder sister, younger sister is also a mother. No matter she's elder or younger.
absolutely.
So that's, you'll feel at some point. So we just want to know.
It's not actually at some point. It's a feeling that's constantly there. It's not at some point, or there's no particular, I can't look back and reflect on any one incident, but over the last 10 years, I think, especially since Jo has become a mother, I think ever since then, I can say that she's got a very, she suddenly evolved as this person who wants to take everyone under her shelter. She's got that personality of, having and keeping everyone protected and loved and keeping her under her shelter and taking care. So I think over the last 10, 12, 13 years, I think that's when that side of her personality has come out. And I tell her often also, I think amongst all of us, we are 4 siblings. And I think if there's anybody who's taking and, replacing our mother's place in the family with her personality and everything, I think it's Jo. She's the one who's sticking to that side of it the most.
So
Yeah.
nice.
That's
So
so nice.
So sweet. Yeah, big words. Big
Yeah,
words.
so true. Big words விட எவ்வளவு
Yeah.
உண்மையான வார்த்தைகள்.
So no particular incident as such, but incidents happen, on a daily, weekly, monthly basis where there are so many where she stepped up as the older sister / mother / guardian, all of that. So she's all of that in one. For me, at least in the last 1 decade, for sure.
Oh,
So
Thank
beautiful.
you. But I must mention this that Chinna vayasla actually after schooling days we've all been apart, yeah, because I came to work very early. Nagma kam poitanga. So he was on his own in the house. and I have one more sister, Radhika, US போயிட்டாங்க, she's there. So we all didn't connect much as siblings, but now after 35, நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா even actually it's a connect. Even உடன்பிறப்பு is an elderly story. You know, we don't see films in Tamil cinema where elderly brothers sisters are shown, you know, from the young age till their old age. But very strangely, in my family also, Suraj and me, we have connected after 35. No, he's 35, I'm 43, but we have connected after. At this point in life, we have connected not much as siblings, but it's a beautiful connection, Ilya, when you're not in touch with each other 10, 15 years, because everybody is busy in their careers, finding their own place. And suddenly, at this age, to come and connect so close, I think it's remarkable. So, on the how this relationship has taken its own, you know, course. Yeah.
And இப்போ பாக்கும்போது அது ஒரு living example for your kids as well, இல்லைங்களா
Very
ma'am?
important.
Oh yes, oh yes. He's my daughter's favorite, my son's favorite. He's actually, like I said, he's the best mama to have. That's I think theirs is the closest relationship amongst all the family members.
Nice. So now I have some few questions about the siblings. So உங்களோட இன்னும் ரெண்டு sisters இருக்காங்க. ஒருத்தங்க வந்து நக்மா மேம் நமக்கு தெரியும். இன்னொருத்தங்க வந்து ரோஷினி மேம் / ராதிகா மேம். We can call whoever. So who is the naughtiest out of the four?
This question is for whom?
Both of you can answer.
I think
Okay, you can
Nagma
answer.
Who?
Nagma
Nagma
Didi.
Didi.
அப்படியா? என்ன இப்படி சொல்லிட்டீங்க? அவங்க தான் வந்து பெரியவங்க, ரொம்ப அடக்கமா இருப்பாங்கன்னு நினைச்சேன். என்ன இப்படி சொல்றீங்க? What is the naughtiest thing she will do?
No, I
She's
think
funny.
she's really funny. I think in age
She's so
she's
funny.
younger to Joe's daughter also. She does- so
Who is the so she is the one who is the most naughtiest. Who's the silent killer? Who
I
will do
think
things quietly and will like would have gotten their way done.
I think that would be Jyotika for me.
Ma'am, do you accept this or no?
Okay, definitely I accept.
அட பாவி, என்ன மேம் ஏதோ கொஞ்ச நாள் சண்டை போடுவீங்கன்னு பார்த்தா ஆமா நீங்க இப்படி சைலண்டா அதுக்கோ.
Yeah, I think
சொல்லுங்க. யா
இல்ல நீங்க கேளுங்க திதி, இது பத்தி பேச வேணாம். வீட்ல பாலிடிக்ஸ் ஆயிடும் நீங்க.
Who has the last word?
who has the last word?
இவங்க சொன்னா over அது மாதிரி.
My brother, because my mother only supports him, so he's most loved. My two elder sisters support him, and he's too cute. So not because there is 3 girls and 1 boy, he's also very fun loving. So everybody just he's got a soft spot in everyone's heart. So 100% he gets away with anything.
So பேரண்டோட பெட் யாருன்னு கேட்டாலும் அதுக்கும் ஆன்சர் அவர்தான் வரும் போல இருக்கு. அப்படியா?
அம்மாவோட பெட் சூரஜ், அண்ட் அப்பாவோட பெட் ராதிகா. சோ நக்மா அக்காவும் நான் நடுவுல இருக்கோம், அப்படியே ஃப்ளோட்டிங் பீப்பிள்.
குழந்தைங்களை இப்படி விட்டுட்டீங்களே. ஐ திங்க் அவங்க ரெண்டு பேரையும் தமிழ்நாட்டுக்கு கொடுத்துட்டனால அவங்க ரெண்டு பேரையும் அவங்க பாத்துக்கிறாங்க.
How sweet.
தமிழ்நாட்டுக்கு பெட்டு நீங்க நாங்க வச்சுக்கிறோம், நீங்க அவங்களே பாத்துக்கோங்க, அந்த மாதிரி பண்ணிட்டாங்க போல. Who gives the best surprises?
Best surprises.
Interesting. I
Best
think
surprises.
go ahead, Joe.
I think Surya and Suraj together.
That's what I was about to say. I think Surya gives the best surprises.
அப்ப பெஸ்ட் gift யார் கொடுப்பாங்கன்னு சொல்லலாம். கரெக்ட்டா யோசிச்சு ஒரு gift கொடுங்க. Who gives the best gift?
Amongst the siblings?
Yeah, amongst the siblings. Yeah.
I think
Surya
we all
sir விட்டுருங்க மேம்.
ஆமா விட்டுருங்க. I think amongst us we think we are a gift for each other. So ஒரு surprise இருந்த we come and like how he's come today in the show. நாங்களே ஒரு gift மாதிரி.
இது போங்க gift மேம். இது அக்செப்ட் பண்ண முடியாது. இது போங்க. போங்க ஆன்சர். What is bong in Hindi? I don't know. In English also I don't know to explain. But
so I think
மாதிரி நானே ஒரு gift தான். I am your gift like that.
Yeah, but what better a gift and surprise?
I like that.
சரி, do you have any favorite memory with all 4 of you? நீங்க 4 பேர் siblings 4 பேர் பண்ண favorite memories.
I think we are making the best memories now, Didi. If actually we are all together, and the lockdown la we have all spent a lot of time. இது ஒரு ரொம்ப பாசிட்டிவான ஒரு விஷயம். We've been together, and yes, we have gone for ஒரு 10-15 years ago US trip ku போயிருக்கோம். And we've just the kids, all of us, and it was really fun. So that was also a very beautiful memory. And எனக்கு கேட்டிங்கன்னா எனக்கு ராதிகா is always beating up Suraj. And the memory rumba, it's always in my head. He's funny.
right?
She's number 2. Nagma,
Oh, she's
Radhika,
number 2 and
myself, and Suraj.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. ஆனா அவங்க ரெண்டு பேர் தான் அடிச்சுப்பாங்க நிறைய.
Ama, one-sided. She'll do it.
அது வாங்க.
Oh, she
He's too young.
Wow. Do you remember any of those memories? Suraj, sir, do you remember?
Of Radhika beating me up very
Yeah.
vividly. Absolutely yes. It's not only memories; it might still be happening also sometimes. But yeah, those are there to stay forever. For me to tell her children and about
Yeah.
what her mother used to do and everything like that. So, those are there to stay forever.
That's nice. That's nice. So nice to have spoken to you. It is such a great time. You know,
Likewise.
going back and thinking of all these memories. Ma'am Sunamadri, now is that you've been close in Solumbode. Surajji, my last question for you, apart from the film, is about her personally. Is what is that one thing that you have realized about your sister Jyotika in this lockdown after becoming close? There's something that we'll always discover about our siblings, right? So what is that one thing that you have recently found out about her or realized?
It's I think it's an extension of what we already knew, but it's just been highlighted so much in this lockdown, just to say, because we spent so much time. I think Jyotika as a person has always been very, very selfless and giving, and I think through this lockdown I've realized that she's more than what I used to think, to a point where I also feel like it's one of the things that is not right about. You know, it's she's selflessly giving so much that I think it's one of those things that has just been highlighted a lot for me during this lockdown. She's been there, she's made multiple trips, she's been there for everybody in the family, that's dad, mom, us, different times, multiple places and everything like that. So she's been there, and she's always come with that energy of solving things, you know, in these last 2 years and everything. So really, that has been one thing that I think that has been highlighted for me in the last 2 years, especially in this lockdown. Yeah.
How nice.
I have no words. I'm very
What
touched.
is that you have figured out about your brother, ma'am? About your little brother?
He's wonderful. The whole family connects because of him. அவர் வந்து நல்ல பேலன்ஸ் பண்ணுவாரு. Too many ladies in the house இல்லையா, so அவர் நல்ல he balances everything. Everyone loves him. நீங்க if you ask anybody in the family கேட்டீங்கன்னா who's your favorite in the family, எல்லாமே சூரஜ் சொல்லுவாங்க. From all the sisters, mom, and maybe dad will say Radhika, மத்த எல்லாமே I think everybody will say Suraj. So the majority people are, so he's got that energy, that attraction, that he's very what do I say, he's very dignified and very very always there for making everybody comfortable, and he's actually he takes care. I'm a little short tempered sometimes. I just blow up, and he calms all of us down. Relax, it's all fine. And he's our binding factor. He binds all of us together. So yes, he's the one who's illana nariya sande varum family la because he's the binding factor. He makes everything all
So
right.
he's always in that Zen mode and putting everybody in their Zen mode.
Yeah. Like iniki nanga we are all in his house in Goa, and I don't think in any other place we would have all met. We are so comfortable being with him and his beautiful wife, that Manmeet, that they both make us feel so good, and we feel like we can stay here another 2 months also if there's no work. So I think that is the best part about him.
Nice. So